Hold that for 1 second. I gotta take my burger off.
Okay, take your burger off. Shit-ionary.
See how it all stacks
Nuclear
together? You
shit missile.
hold the crown, you don't burn your fingers.
Shit magnet.
And there you slide it on.
Shit journey.
Ta-da!
Shit island. Shit itch. Shittiography. That's my favorite.
Okay, Mr. Lahey.
Devoted to the pantheon of sacred shit gods. First associated with Epiphanes, hence shit epiphany. Before his holy squat and poop, what kind of man was Genghis Khan? Whip me down if I am wrong. The poo pot writes the sacred song, Randy. It's all in the poo pot. That's what the archaeologists use, Randy. They use the poo pots to fucking figure out who had what and what was doing who. Read this, Randy.
Which one? Shitoscope?
Shitoscope.
All right, everybody, from the Dic-shit-tionary, we have shitoscope, okay?
I'll drink to that.
Mr. Lahey, I'm reading.
I got you.
Shh. Ingrata explorare. Surgery.
That's Latin.
Is that, did I say it right?
Yeah, perfect, Randy.
Okay. It's a noun, N, an archaic instrument for viewing the bowel through the sphincter. Advanced models come equipped with shit lights, rectal dilators, bung oil, and aprons. I don't get it, Mr. Lahey. Oh, there's shitscopy right here. Shitoscopy? Shitoscopy. Enough, Mr. Lahey. Stop
Shitoscopy.
Shitoscopy. The science of rectal telemetry. Recently sidelined by the fecal finger.
Yeah.